Process Welding Systems Incorporated, serving the world's industry with automated and semi-automated welding systems. This system performs 3 spot welds in one operation. 8 fixtures rotate to 3 welding stations with precision plasma welders. All welding parameters can be programmed for each station. Precision torch adjustment is provided with 3-axis slides. A fume extractor pulls welding fumes away from the operator. The operator controls all aspects of the system with a color touchscreen. A light curtain ensures operator safety. To see more, visit processwelding.com.